In this video, I'll show you to add friends on Rockstar Social Club. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to play games like GTA Online or Red Dead Online with your friends, you'll first need to add them to your Rockstar friends list. Alright, first open up your Rockstar Games launcher, and to access Rockstar Social Club, you want to click your profile icon at the top right and then go to Manage Account. After you do that, it will take you to rockstargames.com on your browser. So if you're playing GTA or RDR on console, you can go straight to rockstargames.com. Now once you're here, you want to click your profile picture on the top right again, and then go to friends, go to my friends. Here you can see your friends list, and to add friends, you can click find friends on the top right. So the first way is to import friends from other networks. So if you're playing on console, you can click here. The second one is to invite them through email. You can type in their email and then type in the message and send the invite. You can click find Rockstar members and then type in your friend's username. Once you find your friend's account, you can click the three dots on the right of their username and hit add friend. Click send and the friend request is sent. To check it, you can go back. You can see all of the pending requests. Now they just need to accept it, and after they accept your friend's request, you can invite them to game, join their lobby, and play together with them.